welcome back to my channel. So here is today's makeup tutorial. I said I was going to do this a while back, but I received a lot of technical difficulties while trying to film it, so I decided to refilm it completely all over again. Alright, so we are going to start off with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in shade 619 Rust. I'm just going to use a flat brush and just blend that out. I'm going to go in with my Glitz Glam Eyeshadow Beauty Glazed palette, and I'm going to use this pinkish red right here. So now we are going to go in with NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil in shade 604 Milk. And an angled brush, and I'm just going to create I'm hunting rabbits. I'm just going to create a winged eyeliner.
A white eyeshadow and apply it over the white eyeliner just to set it.
Go in with the same red. Alright, and I'm just going to blend it out with my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Alright, now I'm going to go back in with my Jumbo Pencil Rust by N.Y.X and apply that on my waterline. And I don't really mind it touching the other red because it's just going to darken up the color and make it look nicer. Gonna get some Exorcist action right now. Alright, so far it should look like this. Alright, now I'm going to be using another angled brush. I know I have a lot of angled brushes. And going to be using Pink Opal from the Kat Von D Alchemist palette. And just apply that on my inner corner as a highlight. Alright, so the highlight is now on, and what is left to do is just either put mascara or your false lashes. Alright, so my false lashes are applied, my mascara is applied. I already highlighted my eyebrows. Now all that's really left to do is my lipstick. For today I decided to go with Alien in the N.Y.X Liquid Suede. And you could do red, you could do nude, but I'm extra, so I'm gonna put black. Alright, lovelies, I hope you guys did enjoy that video. If you guys did, please leave a like, click that subscribe button that's up top, down below, or wherever you guys are watching from, to become part of the Dark One Army and to join me in my everyday weirdness. Also, if you guys do decide to recreate this look, please tag me on my most active social media, Instagram.